Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install VirtualBox on a Windows 11 machine. So VirtualBox is an hypervisor that we can use to install operating systems like Windows, Linux, and we can do this on a Windows device and run Linux machines on a Windows device. So let's go ahead and open a browser here. So we'll search for VirtualBox download. Then we want to go to virtualbox.org. So click on that link. Click on download. And then here you have different packages depending on what your host is, what operating system you're running. Since we're installing this on a Windows host, we'll need to click Windows host. So this is gonna allow us to download the latest version, which is 7.1.8. But if you want to install the older versions, some people have had issues with the version 7.1. If you prefer the older version, you can scroll down and go to previous releases and click here. And as you can see, the older versions are no longer supported. So the oldest you can go back is 7.1, so we might as well go with 7.1.8, so Windows host. And the download has begun. It's not a big file, so it's about 119 MBs. Okay, it's done. The download is done. We can close this browser. And this should download by default to your downloads folder. So if you open your downloads folder, you should see the file there. And there it is. Now the process for installing is just to click on it and then it should install. If you had an older version and you download the newer version and click on it, double click on it to install, it should upgrade the older version and it shouldn't affect any virtual machines you already have. So double click yes to allow it. Here we'll click next, then you have to accept the terms. Next, we'll go to the defaults. Next, that's fine. We'll click yes. Here we'll say yes. You can create a shortcuts if you want. So you can have it added to your start menu. You can create a shortcut on the desktop. So whichever options you want, you can select and then install. And it's done. We can finish and it should start it. And there you are. This is the Oracle VirtualBox. We can click on help to look at the version, help about VirtualBox, and the version is 7.1.8. And like I said, this is just a hypervisor. We can use it to install virtual machines. We will need to have an ISO image, and then you come in here and click new, and then you'll name your virtual machine. Select the folder where you want it to be installed. Select the ISO image for your virtual machine, and then just go through the process. If it's a Linux machine, you'll select Linux. If it's a Windows machine, select Windows, and so on and so forth. So that's all for this video. That's how you can install VirtualBox on a Windows 11 machine. I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.